PayActiv and DailyPay. Both let eligible employees access earned wages before payday, but the biggest difference is that both services depend on whether your employer participates. If your workplace doesn't offer one of them, you usually can't choose it on your own. By the end of this video, you'll know how PayActiv and DailyPay work, what features they offer, and which platform is the better fit if your employer gives you a choice. If you're comparing the two, the short answer is this. Both provide earned wage access, but they differ in the additional financial tools they include alongside that feature. Let's start with PayActiv. PayActiv is built around earned wage access, allowing eligible employees to access a portion of the wages they've already earned before their scheduled payday. Because the money comes from wages you've already worked for, it's different from applying for a traditional personal loan. Beyond earned wage access, PayActiv also includes additional financial wellness features. Depending on your employer's program and your eligibility, you may have access to tools for budgeting, saving, bill management, and other money management services inside the app. The goal is to make the platform useful beyond simply accessing pay early. Now let's look at DailyPay. DailyPay also gives eligible employees access to earned wages before payday through participating employers. The service integrates with employer payroll systems, so workers can transfer available earnings instead of waiting for the next pay cycle. DailyPay focuses heavily on flexibility around payday. If your employer offers the platform, you can use it to better manage unexpected expenses or adjust your cash flow between paychecks. The experience is generally centered on earned wage access rather than offering a broad collection of financial tools. So which one is better? Choose PayActiv if you want earned wage access along with additional financial wellness features that help you manage your money in one place. Choose DailyPay if your priority is getting access to earned wages through a platform that focuses primarily on payroll flexibility and paycheck timing. The deciding factor for many people won't actually be the features. It'll be which service your employer supports, because that's what determines whether you can use the platform in the first place. Here's the bottom line. Both PayActiv and DailyPay help eligible employees access earned wages before payday without relying on a traditional loan. PayActiv offers a broader financial toolkit, while DailyPay keeps the focus on earned wage access and paycheck flexibility. Your next step is to check which platform your employer provides and compare the available features inside your workplace benefits portal. If this comparison helped you understand the differences, like the video, and subscribe for more comparisons of earned wage access apps and personal finance tools.